should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
Mew Mew is on the bus. Move the steering wheel and speed up.
Please enter the correct number to lift the barrier.
We have arrived at the supermarket. Teacher asked us to buy some things and bring them to class.
Let's go buy some stationery and a...
Pick your cart.
I need to bring these to class. Please help me find them.
School bag. Yes, it's what I was looking. Pencil case.
We haven't...
Notebook. Hand sanitizer. Water bottle.
We ha
Quilt. Pillow. Put money in the drawer.
I finished my shopping, all thanks to you. We finished our shopping. Let's get on the bus.
Hi, Babybus.
Hi, Hank. Get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Hank is on the bus. We have arrived at the photo studio. Teacher asked us to take a photograph and bring it to class.
Let's go take some photos.
Welcome! We want to take some really nice pictures. All right, let's go change clothes first.
I need to wear pretty clothes for a photo. Please find some nice ones for me.
It's such a beautiful photo.
Thanks.
I like these clothes. Let me try them on. Click the camera and take a photo of me.
What a great photo.
Thank you. We finished our photo shoot. Let's go.
Hi, Babybus.
Oh, Kiki, get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thank you.
Kiki is on the bus.
The bus is a little dirty. Please help me wash and clean it up. Clean the car. First, drag the water sprayer to rinse off the mud. Tap the button to spray the cleaning fluid. Scrub the car clean. Now rinse off the foam. The car is clean. You are like an expert.